I am going to put this jar over the candle, which will use up all the oxygen in the jar and make a partial vacuum, which is going to suck up that water, which has some dye in it. And then I can pick up that penny without getting my fingers wet, because right now it's in the water. So, before I do it, I'll give you one closer look. So, there's a paper clip in there to hold the jar up a little so the water can go in underneath. And there's penny. So, let's try it. All right. It'll take a little while to burn up all the oxygen. Tell the water level is going down any? Can you tell that the water is going into the jar? Yes, you can see, I hope, because I can see. Water level is going down outside the jar and going up inside the jar. And the coin is covered with less water. The flame has gone out. It's getting a lot drier on the bottom. See, the purple dye water is inside the jar and not outside the jar, except, yeah, there's a little bit where the penny is, so I miscalculated a little, okay, but you get the idea, right? So, I don't know if it's gonna move anymore. Like here, it's dry, so a little unevenness maybe. And this penny was not covered in water anymore, for the most part. And if you don't believe that all the water went in the jar, or almost all of it, watch what happens when I lift up the jar. Okay, see, that's how much water was in there. And that's the trick. Try it yourself.